Hey, aloha, Mark J, coming to you from our backyard inside the dream here on beautiful Kauai, Hawaii. Another miserable day here in the middle of winter. And people ask us all the time, is there a shortcut? How did you get there? And there actually is, believe it or not, a shortcut. And that shortcut is live events. They really do make a difference, but there's an asterisk next to it. And that was a big struggle for me in '94 and into early '95. Let me rewind the clock here. I heard what everybody said. Everybody says leaders are born at events, leaders are born at events. Went to the events, not much happened. And yes, I coaxed other people to come, 5 of us sleeping in one room. Most of us had to borrow money to get down there. I mean, let's face it, most of us, when we get involved in network marketing, we're short on time, we're short on money, and in most cases, certainly was with me, short on both. So I was anxious for a shortcut. So I went to the event, and there were 7 of us that went. And we were expecting all this great growth, and not very much happened. I don't know what your experience is, but everybody I've talked to experienced pretty much the same thing. Still, there was another national event 6 months later, went to that, all excited, really excited when we came home, and not much happened. So I decided either it's not true that leaders are born at events, or I've got to develop some kind of plan to leverage that. And that's the key. You see, great network marketers, I'm not talking about the blowhards online that are trying to sell stuff. I'm talking about people that are making 20, 30, 40,000 a month that you've never heard of, and they're getting it done in 12 hours a week. What they learn to do is leverage the events. So after a few failures at events, I decided to dust off an old book called Success System That Never Fails, and I developed a strategy for going to the next event, and it worked. Things got considerably better. Not what I had hoped for or been promised that you get 100 new distributors for every rep you got there, but it was better. So we had defined it, and then myself and the fabulous Dave Fiend, we refined it, and then after the 3rd one, we perfected it. And ever since then, whenever we built, we'd get people to events, and the group would get explosive the way that you always hoped. So let me give you a little teaser of what actually happens. If you've noticed, about a week or 2 before the event, everybody stops working because there's an event coming up. Then there's a week of the event itself, flying down, going to the event and getting home, and nothing happens then. And then the week afterwards, they don't know what to do with all that energy, so they do what? They share the event with other people that weren't there. This is a huge mistake. So we developed a strategy so that you'll have a plan for 2 weeks before, during the event itself, that's critical, and then after the event. So I'm gonna do a free webcast, and here's why. Read my lips, nothing for sale, before, during, or after. We were about 18th in the world online for blogs and network marketing, and the only one in the top 25 that doesn't spend money advertising. Simply by word of mouth. That's you, readers, and other people that have seen this blog. We've now been moved up to 8th place worldwide, only one with 0 advertising in the top 25. And we want to say thank you. So I'm going to give you this strategy, and there's about a 17, 18 page workbook that goes with it. If you've been on our webcasts, you know they're big, they're full of meat, no screwing around for 20 minutes waiting for it to fill up. We respect people that show up on time. So if you want to learn how to go to events and leverage them, you see, great network marketers understand leverage. I'm going to teach you how to leverage the event so you get growth, and they'll all get growth. And guess what? More people come to the event and more growth. So hit the link down below, okay? And you can grab the workbook and then get registered for the webcast. Share it with your team. I mean, what would it be like if everybody was on the same page? This strategy works 100% of the time. You're gonna love it, it's easy, and best of all, not only does it make money, but it's fun. By the way, if you're seeing this on YouTube, you can get to a place where you can register and get all that stuff at freenetworkskills.com. So leave me a comment down below. Use cheat sheets when you have to. Have a lot of fun. We're gonna have a blast on the webcast. Again, hit that link down below. And if you're seeing this on YouTube, get to freenetworkskills.com. Is that right? Freenetworkskills.com. No?
Net.
Wait a minute.
It'll be on the screen.
Freenetworkskills.net. I'm proof that you don't have to be that smart. You just have to use the smarts of other people. Peace be the journey. Comment, get on the webcast, and we'll see you on the beaches of the world. Peace out.